Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Crochet baby frock offer several benefits both for person creating them and for the baby wearing them. Here are some benefits of crocheting baby frocks. As like before, today also we brought something special for your kids. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet baby frocks. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your baby crochet dresses. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to watch such type of unique and beautiful more videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Customization. You can create unique personalized design tailored to the baby's size, color, preferences and style. Soft and gentle fabric. Crocheted items are often made with soft yarn which is gentle on a baby's sensitive skin. Quality control. As you make the frock yourself, you can ensure the materials are safe, hypoallergic and free from harmful chemicals. Durable. Crocheted baby frocks are generally quite durable and can last through multiple washes even when cared for properly. Comfort. The softness and flexibility of crochet make it ideal for babies as it allows freedom of movement. Creativity. Crocheting baby frock allows you to express your creativity combining colors, patterns and textures in fun way. Perfect fit. You can adjust the size and length of the frock to fit the baby exactly. Unlike store-bought items that may not fit well. Great gift idea. Handmade baby frock make thoughtful and cherished gift for baby shower or first birthdays. Bonding. If you are crocheting for a baby you can care about, it can be a great bonding experience knowing the time and love you are putting into the project. Eco-friendly. By using natural yarns, you can create sustainable clothing alternatives, reducing your environmental impact compared to a fast fashion. Learning experience. Crocheting is a skill that improves over time, and making baby frocks can help you hone your crochet abilities. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Cost effective. Making your own frocks can save money compared to buying expensive designer baby clothes. Unique pieces. Each crocheted baby frock is one of a kind, so it gives a baby a unique outfit no one else will have. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Bye bye.